Good morning, traders. Smart Money Rich here. It's the beginning of a new trading week, and I'm so excited to firstly start this week with a good news for you guys. This is the good news, guys. Assexmarket is here as a friendly broker, right? Assexmarket is the best broker in the industry right now. They are taking over, right? Reason is because I have traded with this broker and I've tested them. You understand? They have the best customer service so far. They have the tightest spread you can ever imagine. Like me, I'm a sniper. I love to snipe. You guys used to see my signal. It's all snipers, right? And I love the fact that there is no spread issues. A lot of you guys in my community have been asking me questions. I place a trade, the market comes to my entry, but they not trigger me in. But on my trading view, it got to my entry. Now, all of this has come to an end with Assexmarket. Assexmarket is the best. They have swap free. This simply means that you can hold your trade for 2, 3, 4 days, even 1 week, 2 weeks. Best for swing traders. So this will be the best broker for you if you know you are the kind of trader that holds your trades over the week, as you won't be charged any commission fee or any swap fee on your positions, right? They have the best broker platform ever, a platform that you can simply go to make a deposit. Right now they have several methods of deposit and withdrawals. You can either deposit with your bank transfer, you can either deposit with crypto, BTC, USDT, whatsoever. You are the one to make your deposit or withdrawal choice. So stay with me as I guide you through on the platform on how to sign up with Assexmarket, how to create an account, how to make deposit, and also how to make withdrawals. Let's go, guys.
All right, guys, so here we are. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you use my link in my Telegram. This is the Smart Money Rich community. Make sure you use this link, Assexmarket. Once you click on the Assexmarket link, it will open up. Once it open up, it will then bring you to this place, right? It will bring you over to this place where it will ask you to either sign in or register. Right now, if you want to register, this is what you will do. You understand, guys? You will put your email. Let's say, for example, I put my email there, and then I put Nigeria. Nigeria is my country. You can put any of your country, and then you put your password, right? So let's say, for example, I want to use a strong password which was provided for me by Apple. I can just put this, right? Once I put this password, I will now identify that I am not a US citizen. Once you're done with all of this, the next thing you're going to do is click on register. Once you click on register, this is where your dashboard will come up. Now you see my dashboard is up. This is the next thing you want to do. Is you see how great these guys are. You see the interface and all of the rest. Make sure you verify your profile, guys. It's very important. So you guys will see how the dashboard is. They have the wallets. This wallet is a place where you can deposit funds, and it's more like a save, right? You can save money you don't want to trade with, and when you want to trade with it, you can then simply transfer it into your trading account. But first of all, what you do is to create an account, right? You guys already see that I have my own account created already, and make sure you verify your account, right? You see at the top right corner, you see that my account has already been verified. So you make sure you verify your account. After verifying your account, You then want to create a real account. So in this case, you can clearly see that my account has been created. Now that my account has been created, guys, the next thing I want to do is make a deposit. Now, these guys have so many methods of both withdrawals and deposits. So what we have here, we have the BTC. If you want to deposit in BTC, if you want to deposit in USDT TRC20, you can also deposit in USDT ERC20. You can also do a bank transfer. You understand? You can do an online bank transfer. Quick, fast deposit, fast withdrawal. Assexmarket is known for fast deposit, fast withdrawal. You can also do internal transfer as well, right? You can withdraw from your wallet, put it into your trading account, or withdraw it from your trading account and put it into your save, or let's say a place you can safely keep your money. So now what we're going to do is we are going to make a deposit, right? I'll be depositing into my trading account. So I'll be depositing USDT TRC20. This is what I want to deposit, right? So what I'll do is minimum deposit is $10, which means you can trade as low as $10. You can trade $20, $15, and then max deposit is around $500,000. Commission from 0 USDT. This guys doesn't charge you commission, right? So the commission out there is free. Swap fee is free. You can hold trade over the week, over the days, over the weekends, for months. If you're a swing trader, you love to hold trades, this is the best broker you should be using. So after that, what I want to do is confirm, right? I'll be making this deposit from my phone. I want to show you how fast the deposit process is, right? So I'll be depositing. They said I should select deposit. I'll be depositing $500, right? USD. Then I'll do what? I'll continue. Once you click on continue, you see what they write here. You will get 500 US dollar, right? So you click confirm. Once you click confirm, what you will see is that the link is down here. This is the link. You can scan the code. You can also copy it. You can scan it, you can copy it. So what I'm doing is I'm doing it from my phone, guys. I'm doing it from my phone. So I'll be scanning the code. You can see how fast it is. The money is right here in my wallet. So if I click on wallet, you see that I have the money which I deposited, right? You see, I deposited today. You see how fast it is. So now if I want to transfer these funds, what I will do is this. You use the internal transfer. If you want to withdraw, you use the withdrawal, right? You use the withdrawal. So what I want to do now is I want to transfer it into my trading accounts. Let's log in into my Meta 5. So while logging into my Meta 5, this is what I need. This is my login right here. My login is 82346. So I'm going to put the login over here, which says 82346, if I'm correct. 82346. And after that, I'm then going to put my password, right? Then once I put my password, then I should be good. So that's it. That's how you log into your Assexmarket trading account. So probably is loading. Yeah, here we are. I'm logged in. You can see that I'm logged in into the account right now.
because you can see it's 0 0 balance. Reason is because I have not transferred the funds. The funds has not been transferred from my wallet to my trading account. So what I want to do now is I want to transfer it into my trading account. This is how you put it into your trading account, guys. All right, so let's go. This is account sender from my wallet, account recipient, my main account, amount to be sent, amount to be received. It means you can have money in your trading account and still decide not to use all of it. You can use part of it. You can use part of it. All right, guys. So real quick, as I was introducing the broker to you guys, I saw an opportunity on gold and then I jumped on it. You guys can see that what I deposited before was $500, right? And this is the profit that I made. I've made $423, which I will be withdrawing for you guys to see, right? Now, remember, I asked you guys to join my free Telegram community where I used to send signals. So you can see that the gold signal was sent in as well. Today, the gold trade was sent and a lot of people also took the trade. So if you want to be trading with me, it's free. You can join the Telegram community and then I'll do the analysis. When it's time for entries, I will send the signals to you. So do well to check the link in my bio so you can join my free Telegram community. So let's make the withdrawal, guys. So you guys can see here is my account and here is the total amount that I have right now in my account. I deposited $500 and I'll be withdrawing this money via USDT, right? This is where I deposited it, so I have to confirm the amount I'll be withdrawing. 423 US dollar over here. 423 US dollar. So right now I have to confirm. Now I have been asked to put my wallet address. So I'm going to do it from my phone. I'm going to insert my wallet address from Bybit. So I'm going to copy it and paste, guys. So I've copied it on my phone and I've pasted it here. And then boom, we are waiting for it, waiting for verification. So let's go, guys. So I need to put my code from my authenticator, right? I need to put my code from authenticator and verify that I'm making a withdrawal. TRC USDT. So you can see, guys, that it's been processed. My withdrawal is being processed and then it will be credited into my USDT wallet. Thank you very much, guys, for staying to the end of this video. You can use the link in my bio or the link in description to sign up for this.